Hi, welcome back. I'm Tish. Today we have our LiveGlam Morphe Brush Subscription. But first I wanted to thank Renee from Beauty and More with Renee. I showed some of the stuff that she gave me the other day, and because I had put these up in a little safe spot so they don't get messed up, I totally forgot about them. So when we went out, she gave me 2 of her photographs that she takes. And one of the ones I chose was this. And that is Mount Rainier from a viewpoint of Tacoma. And I wanted to frame that one. Now, the second one that she gave me, I chose it because it reminds me of my mom and my stepdad, and they met when I was young. They met at Ocean Shores, and they went at sunset for a walk on the beach. And so I wanted this one so I could send it to my mom. And I showed her over FaceTime the picture, and she thought it was the most beautiful thing. She said she's going to frame it and she's going to hang it so that she can see it every night before she goes to bed. So I wanted to show those because while giving somebody a gift that you bought is nice, giving somebody something that you've created, something that you've put your heart into, is so much more than something that can ever be bought. So I wanted to show those because I'm really grateful for that. And my mom absolutely loves that picture. All right, so for the Morphe Brush Subscription, this is LiveGlam Brush Club, and the theme for this month is Keep On Bloomin'. And on the back, we have all the little brushes and stuff. All right, so our first brush, this is how they come. All nice and wrapped up. All right, our first brush is the M710 Angled Lip Brush. And that is what that looks like. All right, and it says the precise angle on this synthetic brush is perfect for creating super defined lip looks. And it is soft, but it is not, like, it's not pokey, but it's feels like it would be nice on the lips. And I love brushes. All right, the next brush that we have is the M580 Deluxe Flat Contour Brush. And that is what that looks like. All right, it says this flat round-headed brush fits perfectly in the contours of your face for definition and stamping out translucent powder. Oh, so you could use it there. Oh, that's nice. And it's dense, but it's still soft. I like that. All right. So the next 2 brushes I'm really excited about because I can always use an eye brush And these are actually kind of close in what they look like. So I had to check to see which one was which. All right, this is the M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff. And that is what that looks like. Now it's kind of flat, so that's nice. Got a little couple of hairs poking out there, but as long as it works, I don't really care. All right, this is the M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff. Okay, say hello to seamless blending with the must-have blending brush, perfect for transition colors and blending out harsh lines. I can use all the help I can get on the blending. Now, part of the reason I like this subscription so much, actually there's a few reasons. One is they tell you what you're supposed to use the brush for, and that helps me a lot because I have no clue what is for what. They also provide on their website videos on how to use them. But if you don't like the brushes that you're getting for the month, you can actually go in and change the brushes that you're getting. I don't really like that because I only need so many face brushes. But eyeshadow brushes, I could use a million of those. All right, this is the M518 Crease Fluff. And that is what that looks like. All right, and it's a little flatter on one side, so that's nice. And it's, again, it's soft, but still seems like it's dense. All right, so this slender tapered crease brush places colors exactly where you want it, necessary for any shadow look and perfectly sized for small and hooded eyes. Now, let's see. I think I actually used these yesterday. These are Morphe brushes. They're both Morphe brushes. This is Morphe, and this is the Jeffree Star collab. Now, you can see that the Jeffree Star one is just, it doesn't hold its shape. It's got fluff coming out of the side. When you wash it, it just, it kind of deteriorates really quickly. So I'm hoping that these are not the same. However, I have other Morphe brushes that I have received in the past, which I'm sure I can find if I look hard enough. Maybe. I know I have Morphe brushes. Where'd they go? Well, I know this is one. Now, I have washed this, and it has kept its shape. It doesn't have hairs falling out, and I actually like it a lot, now that I've figured out what it's for. So I'm hoping that these eyeshadow brushes are in that same vein. All right, so these are the brushes that we got this month. And this is July's brushes. All right, this subscription is $19.99 a month. And like I said, you get 3 or 4 brushes. But if you don't like the brushes that you're getting, you can change them. They have videos on the website that give you demonstrations on how to use the brushes. And of course, they give you this that tells you a little bit about each brush. I really like this subscription, just mainly because, I mean, I have face brushes and I don't need a lot of them, but as someone who's going to be doing their makeup quite a bit, the eyeshadow brushes, they can get expensive. And I can't pass up an eyeshadow brush. So I'm really excited to see what they have each month. So if you would like to check them out, I do have a link in my description box. I'm not sure if that's my personal link or if that's just a link. If I get anything for it, I don't know. But yeah, I rather like the brush subscription, and I'm going to keep getting it at least for a while. So that is what we have today. Sorry, my brain just decided to go for a walk. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.